Welcome to 4879 Country Lane. I'm Kathy Byerly, Realtor with ERA Reardon Realty. The sellers and I are delighted that you have chosen to visit this contemporary home. Thank you and enjoy. The home's beautiful brick and stone exterior invite you into this haven nestled on a cul-de-sac in the Jackson area Spring Hill neighborhood. Join us by entering the foyer with soaring ceilings flanked by a formal dining room and relaxing fireplace warm space. The living room, casual dining room, and sparkling gourmet kitchen are flooded with light. Maple cabinets, granite countertops, Viking stove, and hardwood floors are joined with stainless steel appliances for the ultimate cook's kitchen. Private space upstairs features 4 bedrooms, including the private sanctuary of the owner's suite with fireplace, immense closet, and spa-like bath. The lower level invites entertaining with wetbar, gathering space, and glass doors opening to the expansive paver patio surrounding the custom in-ground heated pool and hot tub. Overnight guests are welcomed with the additional bedroom on that level. Playscape stays for kids of all ages. Thanks again for visiting 4879 Country Lane.